Welcome to our channel. If you want to raise your credit limit to improve your credit utilization ratio, follow these step-by-step instructions for a safe approach. Step 1. Review your credit report from all three bureaus to ensure accuracy and verify you have a solid payment history without recent missed payments or delinquencies. Step 2. Wait at least 6 months since opening your credit card or receiving your last credit limit increase before requesting another increase. Step 3. Log into your credit card issuer's online portal or mobile app to check if they offer automatic credit limit increases or online request options. Step 4. Navigate to Account Services or Credit Limit Increase section and look for pre-qualified offers that don't require a hard credit pull. Step 5. Prepare justification for your request, including increased income, improved credit score, or responsible card usage history with on-time payments. Step 6. Request a specific increase amount, typically 10-25% of your current limit, rather than leaving it open-ended for the issuer to decide. Step 7. If requesting by phone, be prepared to provide updated income information and explain how your financial situation has improved since opening the account. Step 8. If approved, resist the urge to increase spending. A higher limit should improve your credit utilization ratio, not encourage more debt accumulation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.